Hey, contractor, JobTread user. How many tabs you got open right now? Let's slim it down a little bit. Audit your tools and eliminate the chaos. Now, in this discovery phase, we're going to be analyzing your tech stack. We know how it goes. You hear about it online or you went to a conference and everybody's saying that you need this new technology. You buy it, you're all pumped up, you get back to work, you got estimates to send, you got fire drills going on, and maybe you didn't properly set it up. Or maybe one of the tools you realized just wasn't for you, but for some reason you're still paying for it. We need to make sure that we analyze our tech stack to implement JobTread properly. All right. So when we're evaluating our tech stack, what I like to do is look at all the technology that we're paying for every single month and basically say, all right, what category is it? All right, this is for CRM, this is for accounting, this is for payments, etc. And then I like to give it a grade 1 through 10. And then I like to note down the adoption. How effective has it been for our organization and who is all actually using it? So if we're going at CRM, let's say CRM and sales, if we're using JobTread, we could look at a tool like Go High Level that integrates, that can handle a lot of the marketing, communication. It can be a sales CRM, and that's a great way to do it. Or you can have it where you operate completely out of JobTread and you're using that as a sales and production pipeline, right? It's really up to you. So I like to look at that category. For accounting, I'm looking at QuickBooks and other options there. If you're a JobTread user, I highly suggest QuickBooks just because of that integration, especially with online. And then let's go to payments. At payments, we're looking at Stripe, other payment processors, our financing tools. Acorn's directly integrated there. So evaluate that and see, hey, is this the right fit for us? For photos, of course, we have the photos capability and files with JobTread, but I know a lot of people love things like CompanyCam that integrates seamlessly inside of JobTread. Measurement tools. I love measurement tools because then we can set up our parameters directly inside of JobTread and have that integrated in to allow you to calculate quantities, unit cost, unit price very, very quickly and get estimates out way, way faster. So you could use things like EagleView, Hover, Render, you kind of name it there. Those are all integrated directly into the system, right? Now, when you're looking at communication tools, right? So let's say we're using Gmail or we're using Microsoft, you kind of name it. Let's evaluate all those things. Phone, SMS, Slack. Slack is one that we use internally. So we use the messaging system that is built into JobTread, but we also have all our notifications getting sent to one channel in Slack, so everybody's on the same page. When our team is chatting about projects, whatever it might be, we're always talking all day on Slack. So I have that integrated in the system and I absolutely love it. Documents, Google Drive, everything like that. How we integrating that into the system and the process so it's easy for our clients to find everything. The biggest thing is we want to have JobTread be our central source of truth, where majority of the organization is working inside of JobTread. From there, you might have automations, different tools that are integrated, but are automatically pushing that information and doing what they have to do at a functionality standpoint on its own, right? Once it's set up, you're good to go. So go through your tech stack, evaluate what you want to keep, what can go. Another great process when you're going through this is what tools or features does JobTread have right now that can take away other tools that we're paying for, right? So if you're using like a DocuSign, can we do those documents directly inside of JobTread? Review all of that, evaluate it, and make sure you have a plan of attack to go in with your favorite tools, keep the tech bloat costs down, and be as efficient as possible. Process like this should be evaluated every single year. So make sure you evaluate that tech stack, save some money, integrate those tools, and have a streamlined process. And if you need help with any of that, check us out, better-boss.ai.